Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to set up Payoneer with Shopify. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first thing that you need to do guys is to have a Payoneer account, and if you don't have one, you can just simply go ahead and create one. And after that, once you have a Payoneer account, just simply go to the Shopify guys, and from there just simply go to the settings in your store. So just simply click on your profile. It will be located on the top right and you should be able to see their settings. And after that, just simply go ahead and select payment gateways into your settings so you can add your payment method, which is your Pioneer account. And from there, guys, just simply provide the information of your Pioneer account and just simply provide the checkout credentials that is being asked to complete the setup, and you can just simply click on save once you are done. And from there guys, you should be able to verify the integration, and from there guys, just simply verify the integration if there is any, and from there you should be able to set up your Pioneer with Shopify, and you can run tests as well to ensure that the setup works. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just simply comment down below, and thanks for watching.